This video is going to be a series of push-up jump progressions. Okay, so our main goal eventually is to be doing a full push-up, jump out to the side, and back to the center. But before we even get there, we do want to make sure we talk about our wrist health. Okay, if you do struggle with push-ups altogether, make sure that you can do a push-up in a kneeling position first, okay, and then you're able to do a push-up in a full legs out position. Okay, all right, make sure you can do a full one of these before you move to this. If you do typically have wrist pain, this probably won't be a great exercise for you. But if all those things clear out and you're fine, we can start to make this push-up a little bit more plyometrically based. So I would still recommend, even if you don't have any kind of wrist issues, that you do find some kind of soft pad or maybe even the grass to do this exercise on. But right here, I just have this blue pad. Typically, it's used for balance, but I'm going to use it here for my push-up exercise. Okay, and I'm actually going to go in a kneeling position to start out. All right, I'm not in a full push-up position with my legs completely extended. I'm just going to be in a kneeling position. Okay, so I'm actually starting pretty close inside, not a normal push-up position. Okay, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to jump my hands out to the side and then back to the middle. Out to the side and back to the middle. I like doing this on a raised surface because it puts your wrist in a little bit better of a position when you go to that outside portion, because it gets a little bit more neutral as opposed to just staying in that regular wrist position of a push-up going all the way out to the side. Okay, so again, starting from the middle, right? I'm in my push-up position. I'm on my knees. Core is braced. Got to have that core brace. Make sure you're getting that little extra push-up plus away from you as well. Out to the side and back to the middle. Okay, and you can mess with the distances too if you're struggling to really go further out. Try to stay a little bit closer. If it's too easy, you can start moving those hands a little bit further out. Once you like going out to the side, we can start doing some forwards and backwards as well. Okay. All right, so you can get a little bit creative. And then eventually the goal will be to, either with the pad or without the pad, be in our regular push-up position, push up, out to the side, back to the middle, out to the side, and back to the middle. That will be the later stage though. Make sure again that you can do a full push-up, okay, and these smaller hand jumps before we go to that last stage of the progression.